table, the donkey and the stick. This is the story, and my students are going to tell me this story, and I will enjoy the story and you will enjoy the story.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi, my name is Uzair from 7th standard. Today I tell you a story about the table, the donkey and a stick. Once there was a woman with 3 sons, Tom, Bob and Jack. Tom was the youngest, Bob came next and Jack was the oldest. They lived in a village.
They were happy, but their mother was very poor, so the boys looked for work. Tom worked as a kind man in the next town. The man made tables and other things from wood.
Tom worked very hard for 1 year. When the year ended, the kind man gave him a table. It looked old and dirty, but it was a magic table. Say to the table, I am hungry.
That wonderful food will appear on it by magic, said the man with a smile. You're very kind, said Tom to the man. He went from country to country and from city to city.
And he was always happy. He carried his table on his back when he wanted food. He put the table down in the street by a river. Under a tree, he set the table, I am hungry, and lovely food appeared.
Some months later, he thought, I would like to see my mother. I will go home. On the last night of his journey to his mother's house, he came to an old house, and an old man lived there.
Can you stay the night here? He asked the old man. Yes, you can stay here, but I can't give you any food, said the old man. Don't give me any food, Tom said. You can eat with me. Then he put down his table and said, I am hungry.
Wonderful food appeared and they ate it. Now, this man was not a good man, he was a jealous man. I just want this boy's table. He thought it will give me food. It can sell food to other people. I will never hungry again.
Tom was asleep that night. The old man took the magic table from Tom's room. He worked all night and made the same table. It looks the same and put it next to Tom's room.
The next morning, Tom put new table on his back and he walked to his mother's house. Tom's mother was very happy when she saw her youngest. What did you do when you were away? She asked.
I made a table, Tom said, and I have a table here. It's not nice table, said his mother, but it's magical table, answered Tom. When I say I am hungry, beautiful food appear on it. Show me, said his mother.
Let's invite our friends from the village, then everybody can see the magic, said Tom. Tom's mother invited everybody from the village. Tom put his table down in front of them and said, I am hungry.
But nothing happened. No wonderful food appeared on the table. Everybody laughed and went away. Tom was very angry. He knew now the old man had his magic table. Tom was very unhappy. He ran away from home and went back to his old job.
He wrote to his brother Jack. His letter told the story of the magical table and the jealous old man. Bob was the second brother, worked with a friendly man in a village many kilometers away.
Bob worked very hard for 1 year. When the year ended, the man gave Bob a donkey. You can't sit on this donkey. The man said, but it is a good donkey. Why it is a good donkey? It is very small, asked Bob.
Because it's a magic donkey, answered the man. Put a box under its mouth. Say the magic word, bricklebat, and gold will suddenly fall from its mouth. Catch the gold in the box, you will never be poor.
"You are very kind," Bob said to the man. Bob went from country to country and from city to city. He was always happy. He took the donkey with him. He brought the most expensive clothes and ate the most wonderful food.
"Can I stay the night here?" he asked. "Yes, you can stay here, but I want money for your food and your bed." "Money," cried Bob. You have a lot of money. You have a lot of money." Bob ate lovely food at